What's up, everybody? So if you're new to the channel, I play with BMWs. If you're returning, welcome back. So today should be a good day with the M3. I just got some really good in the mail, and I'll show you what they are in a second. But in the meantime, we're gonna go to my homie's shop real quick and just see what's up, and we might be able to put these on, so we shall see what happens. But in the meantime, stay tuned and enjoy the video. And we are accompanied by some pretty sweet D36s. Watch this. Oh wait! Oh wait! Is it snowing out here? Oh, that's just rain. What's up?
Hello.
You're on my YouTube channel. You be watching my videos?
Sometimes, not really.
No, that's fine. No, that's fine. I only got like 50 subscribers.
No.
So today on Project D36, this man is getting rid of these from here. From who? Oh, Josh?
Yes, sir.
Oh, nice. How much were they?
$100.
Damn, that's not bad. What are these? These are, oh, they're depots. Tabs broken?
Of course.
Like always. So this is a 95, right? 95 325. It's got 18-inch M parallels, and they're staggered, which is pretty cool. Not a bad car.
For sale.
It's for sale?
For sale.
How much?
For sale, not on sale. 5K or best offer.
5K OBO. It's a manual swapped
It's a ZF too.
ZF, yeah, manual swap ZF. What is it?
From an M3.
FX Racing clutch?
No, clutch max.
Oh, clutch max. Yeah, it's a decent car. How many miles do you put on it?
It has like 150,000.
150K? That's not bad.
Minus.
That's not bad. I feel like that's a reasonable price.
I've been getting racks, running shit from the back end. Fucking up on Neiman Marcus, spend a couple racks, then I go to the bank. Smoke gelato jank. Fuck you niggas think, wrote this shit all in my brain. I got all these racks in my little pocket, wanna see it. You don't wanna fuck with me, cause I
Matt, come here. I got a little something from the postman, from the post office. Yeah, check it out. I took the big box out of the little box. Dude, these are fresh. So I got.
Did you just say you took the big box out of the little box?
I took the little box out the big box.
There you go.
Because yeah, these had two different boxes. But yeah, I got Bcracing coilovers. They're extreme lows. I checked my phone this morning just to see the status of them, because yesterday they said they were supposed to be delivered by like 9 p.m. And then I look at my phone to see the status of them, and they said delivered. I'm like, wait, what? So then I walk out of my room, I look at my front door, they're sitting right there.
That's how it be.
Yeah, it's cool. It's nice having fresh coilovers. Got the BCs. I had them on my last C36. Just gotta pop that back in. But I had these on my last C36, and honestly, they're amazing. So I figured I'd kind of be stupid to like get anything less quality than BC. Like a lot of people have mixed opinions. Some people say they're really good, some people say they're garbage, but
It's because a lot of people run them. When you have a lot of people using a product, there's gonna be some mixed
yeah,
mixed opinions.
But
If you like them, you like them.
but that's new. That scratch, oh well, it'll buff out. See you later, alligator. Mel's got to go home and do some things, but he'll be back. Dude, this car is actually really cool. I don't know. I mean, I doubt anybody knows, but this used to belong to your dad, right? Yep. Did he buy this brand new?
No, he bought it from his boss. It was sitting in the back of his boss's shop for like years, dude. They bought it from an old lady that didn't want to do suspension work on it, so it was just sitting in the back of the shop. It was the boss's, but he never drove it. And then he ended up buying it from him, and he's had it ever since.
That's awesome. And then, yeah, this became...
10 years now?
Yeah, this car has been in your family for 10 years, and this is your first car. So I think that's so cool how it gets passed down in the family. Oh, that's weird, because, yeah, this side lights up on the high beam side. This side's low beam lights up. All right, so got the car on the lift, and now we shall start the BC treatment. Let it rip. Huh?
To the moon.
To the moon. My YouTube channel, Janet.
What up?
Okay.
This fool.
Be able to access the top end.
Dude, it's hot in here.
So take a
Oh, that's much better. I'm sweating like crazy.
Say,
I assume FL means front left.
Matt.
Yay. Oh, look at this. You got this?
Yeah.
Look at that. Wobble, wobble, wobble. Wobble, wobble, wobble. All right, so I just got the first one in. It was kind of a pain getting it to pop through with that stud. So Lewis just took a hammer and just gave that some love taps and it popped right through. So first one's in. And now I got 3 more to put in. Check it out. Check it out. We got number 2 going in. Right now you're peeping through the air duct. Oh. Hello. Hello, what's up?
I thought that was the coilover. I was like,
What have you done so far?
I just finished this side.
Are the rears in
Alright,
there?
where's that going?
No, we're about to. This side's like 50% done, and then the rears are gonna take like 10 minutes each.
Yeah, rears are easy.
All right, so fronts are done, and honestly, just on the lift, I could tell it's a lot lower.
We're down over there. We're trying to lower our kahi.
Let's see.
Oh, dude, it's gonna be a bitch to get.
But
Hey, Alex, you see where I got the idea for these?
yeah, so this is how it sits. I didn't even adjust the coilovers, and it sits pretty good until I get wheels on it. Not bad.
So you're not like grabbing.
All 4 BCs are on. I don't know. I didn't really mess with the height up front at all, just because I didn't really know where it was gonna be sitting. And this is probably the lowest I can go right now because I do have a stock tire in it. That's fine for the time being. I could always tinker with that later. Rears, I had to do a little bit of tweaking too, just because even back here, it's definitely gonna rub on bumps. So that's only temporary. I do have wheels that I guess you could say I'm rebuilding. But otherwise, not too bad. Yeah, I'll probably cut a clip to the daytime right now, just so it's in better lighting, and then we'll talk more about it then. So today is the next day, and it was kind of dark out, so I figured I'd wait till the daytime to show you guys the M3. But all 4 BCs are on. It does look really good. I'm over at Matt's crib right now. On the front, I didn't even mess with the collars at all. I left it as is, and it's honestly just perfect to the point where I could still turn with a, I guess you could say, stock tire in place. So that's good. Rears, I had to do a little bit of tweaking too, just because these fenders are virgin. So what that means is they're not even touched back here, not even rolled. So that'll obviously happen in due time. But otherwise, yeah, M3 does sit a good amount lower now, which is very, very good. So yeah, I'm impressed with it. Like I said, BCs were my last car, so I figured why not just go with them again. I've had great experience with them in the past. So yeah, I mean, I'm excited. I'm hyped. Definitely like a good mod to do to your car. It's probably like one of the first things you should do. So tonight we're gonna have an E36 meet with all like the local E36 homies around the Chicagoland area. So that should be fun. Right now I'm getting my girlfriend, and then we're gonna go meet up with Matt, and then from there we shall cruise. And it should be a good time. It'd be a good opportunity to like show you guys some of the E36s around here. This dumbass ice cream truck in the background, bro. That noise though, that tone, that's the tone of good ice cream. That shit smell good. I could smell the frozen ice cream from here. Truck, bro. This man really just honked at me for no reason. So I'm gonna pull up on dude. Look at his goofy ass.
Oh my god.
What's good? What the problem is? Oh, you like the car? You like the car? Oh, thank you. I thought you were bitching at me. I'm dead. I thought he was bitching at me. He like He likes the M3. That's what it was. He was like, I like a car. That was funny as hell. I was about to be on straight dicks with Duke. I was like, what the fuck did I do to? What did I do to you? So, right now, we're gonna go to meet up with Matt. I don't know if I told you, but we're going to meet up with Matt real quick, and we gotta run one single errand, and then we will go to the meet. There's gonna be an E36 meet at the car wash.
I got all these bitches wanna fuck me cause of money. Pull up with my niggas, you know that be going dumb. Thick bitch with the blonde hair, that's a snow bunny. I got rich on these niggas, y'all look ditchy. Pull up like I'm 50, pull up with.
So now we're just kicking it. This is Royce's 98 323 IS. It's got a 391 welded diff in the rear. Bride rep bucket seat. He did put a 5-speed get rag in it because this was previously automatic. And then he's running the same exact chassis mount shifter that me and Matt are running as well. Otherwise, I don't know. It's a nice drift car. It reminds me of the last one. Good car. You got my 97 M3 that you pretty much all know about. Just got it all shined up, just waxed it. It's looking really clean. And then we got Matt's 96 328i that you have also seen. And then in the other video, my last video, you got Lewis's 95 325 IS. And glass headlights are working. Yo, Lewis, turn on your headlights.
Hit the halos.
Yeah, let's see what they do. There you go. Halo's looking good. Glass is definitely the way to go. Hell yeah. This thing is gas. Dumped on style 5s. Hell yeah. Looks icy. Let me buy them. I'll give you $700 right now. And my M contours.
I ain't folding, bro. I ain't folding. You got it on camera, too.
How is it?
Pretty gas.
Pretty gas?
Spunk, though.
Huh?
ZF spunk.
Why?
It's just shit. It popped out today, and like it clunks. Hell.
Oh yeah, you're gonna be on film. I don't know if you care.
But for the YouTube shit.
Yeah, for my 10 people that watch my shit.
Hey, I didn't sign a waiver. Hold on, where's the waiver?
Nice. No spacer?
No spacer. I want to run a 20 mil in the front.
Yeah. Looks just like Nick's. Hell yeah. So this is a manual swap, or no, this came manual, right?
Yeah, it's a get rag in it.
Yeah, built subframe. 315 or 391 welded.
It's a 391 welded.
Welded 391 diff.
323i.
Black interior converted. Manual.
I just got off in a coupe, I'm at church. Why these boys just put up on me in the first place? I just got off in a coupe, I'm in first place. See my bum, my back, oh yeah, I feel like hurt place. I'm about to tell you, boy, just out the surface. Fuck up on that bitch and I'ma have a work week. I just laid a dick up on her, look like bird bees.
Alright, we're gonna go for a quick rip. I haven't rode in this car since it was open diff, stock subframe, tan interior. That was the last time I rode in this thing. Did you know that?
Dude, bro, it was so shit low key before.
Yeah.
It's come a long way.
I need to put my seatbelt on.
Some shit, dude.
Fuck it, just say whatever.
How's the ZF? It's trash.
How's the seat?
Trash.
Why don't you like the ZF?
It clunks and
Where'd you get it?
popped out today. I got it from the junkyard, bro.
I mean, what more can you ask for?
Yeah. Oh, look who it is.
not
left.
Oh shit.
Oh shit.
Mr. Yam. And that clean ass 34. Feels good.
It's not bad.
Dude, you gotta whip a bitch. You've got to. It's not quiet, but it's just so pleasant.
Yeah.
You know?
It's got an exhaust like right here.
Yeah, I hear it.
The guy he fucked it up. The guy welding it.
Where's the radio?
Oh, I have it, but like it doesn't work, so it's just
Damn.
happening right now.
I can't drive no E36 with no radio.
Yeah.
It's gotta have working speakers, working radio.
I want one, bro.
Hell yeah. Dude, whip a bitch.
Oh, hell no.
Come on.
This is Naperville. Do not flip the bitch. You'll be going to jail.
No, do it in the neighborhood. How long have you slid it?
I haven't because the clutch isn't broken in yet.
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm gonna slide it. It's like, well, I'm trying to do 1,000 miles just to be safe.
How many have you done?
429, so.
This man, 429 on the dot.
Yeah.
I mean, it's right there.
Yeah. I mean, it's pretty decent though, dude. Like, with the 381,
Yeah, it feels good.
definitely.
Yeah. Yeah.
It's not.
Why you put your put up on me in the first place? I just got off in a coupe and I'm in tree. Why do you put your put up on me in the first place? I just got off in a coupe and I'm in first place. Team up on my bed, oh yeah, I feel like hurt place. I'm about to tell you, boy, just out the surface. Fuck up on that bitch and I'ma have a word. I just lay the dick up on her, look like blood.